right? So this is where we left off, right? We have finished our purchase order, so we only have 2 more transactions for the rest of this scenario here, and we will just go ahead and do the we can go ahead and do the adjusted trial balance afterwards, okay? So let's see what this is. We need to deliver to our Super A markets, okay? So they ordered some regular coffee, Supreme coffee, and ceramic coffee mugs on an account. We gave them terms. So how are we going to journalize this? No, not that one. Okay, here we go. Accounts receivable, right? Sales, ceramic, regular coffee, Supreme coffee, ceramic coffee mugs, and delivery income. Okay, so sales regular coffee, how much money did we earn?
213.85.
213.85. How much Supreme coffee
199.50.
and ceramic coffee mugs?
89.
And then
82.
$30 worth of delivery fee, giving us a grand total of $533.17. Okay. $533.17. Right? Let's go ahead and make changes to the bottom section here. So this is Super A market. Invoice number 110. 1% discount if they paid in 10 days. If not, the whole thing is due in 20 days. Okay. So let's go ahead and update our ledger accounts here. So we got an accounts receivable. Invoice number 110. Journal 21 for $533.17. So what's my ending balance going to be?
2756.35.
27.
Wrong place.
All right.
You're right. I got a couple of them missing. Sorry.
No worries. No worries. No worries. Okay. So there you go. 1531.95. So So then now we got to update our sales. So revenues. We got sales for the regular coffee by the pound. 30. Invoice number 110. How many pounds of the regular coffee did we sell? 65 pounds. General Journal number 21. For a total of 213.85. What's my ending balance?
$1394.76.
Good. Then we have invoice number 110. We sold 50 pounds of the Supreme Coffee for a total of $199.50. So what's my ending balance here?
$1436.40.
Good. We sold some ceramic coffee mugs. How many mugs did we sell? We sold 18 coffee mugs for a grand total of the $89.82. So what's my ending balance in my ceramic coffee mugs?
$1728.96.
Good. Last but not least, we got some delivery income. For invoice number 110, 21, 30, and last but not least, it is for $300 even. Okay. So then let's see what is next. We have to go ahead and update our subsidiary ledger because we sold to Super A Market and they owe us money. So in this case, I'm already here on my commissions. We sold to Super A Market, invoice number 110 for the 533.17. What's 10% of 533.17?
53.32.
$53.32. Sorry, guys. So that should give us a grand total that we owe Albert to be
$271.78.
good. Right? Then we'll go to our customers and we will figure out how much Super A owes us now. So in this case, right, since they made a payment last time on the 29th, right, they just we just delivered another invoice to them. General Journal 21. 1% 10 net 20. So in this case, 10 days from now, which is going to be the 10th, right? Because there's only 30 days in June, okay? And therefore, it's going to be due, the whole thing is going to be due on July 20th, okay? For a grand total amount of $533.17, okay? So therefore, they owe us $533.17 because that's the only invoice that is left. Okay. All right. So we have the journal, right? We completed the ledger, the subsidiary ledger, and now all we have left is to finish off the inventory worksheet. Okay? Because in this case, we sold 65 pounds of regular coffee and we sold 50 pounds of Supreme coffee. So 65 and 50. So let's go ahead and calculate that. So going to regular coffee. Right? We sold 65 pounds of the regular coffee at $1.665. So what is my total cost of goods sold here?
108.23.
108.20. You said 23?
Sorry. I said 22, but this time it's calculated.
Oh, okay. All right, so 108.25. Okay. Oops. We sold 65 pounds, giving us a remainder of 50.5 pounds. At a grand total of $84.10. Okay. Then we got to do our Supreme coffee. We sold 50 pounds, I believe, of the Supreme coffee. So let's see what we have here. We have 35 from this batch, and then now we also have to dip into our second batch. So 35, and then we got, I believe, another 15 after that. So we got to do a calculation here. 35, 15 should give us 50 pounds. So we're dipping into multiple batches of inventory here. Okay, starting with the first one, 35 at $1.89, right? Which we know to be $66.15. Okay, and then we also have to figure out what these 15 pounds, okay, from the 125, right? We know for sure it's $1.91. So therefore, we got $28.65, giving us a grand total cost of goods sold to be $94.80. Okay. So let's go ahead and update our inventory. We got rid of the 35 here. And then we had 125 minus 15, gives us 110 at 210.10. Hold on. 210.10. What was it before? Was it 75? Yeah, okay, that's correct. Two, 10, 10. Right? So here we sold a total of 94.80 for Supreme, and we sold 108.25 of regular. $108.25, 94.80 for Supreme. Okay. And of course, we gotta edit this because we sold to Super A Market. Okay. So let's go ahead and update our ledgers. All right, we got the cost of goods sold. We sold 65 pounds at a total of 108.25. So what's my ending balance here?
1344.40.
13.4440. Good. We sold 50 pounds for a total of 94.80. Ending balance.
$14.12.15.
Good. Let's go ahead and update our ledger here for the inventory, starting with regular coffee. We sold 65 pounds, 21 for 108.25. What's my ending balance? $84.10. Does that look right? Yes, we have $84.10 left. Last but not least, we sold 50 pounds at 94.80, giving us a grand total of $210.10. Okay. Last but not least, right? This is the last thing that we have left before we need to go ahead and go to do our unadjusted trial balance here. We have our last daily sales of the day. Okay, which in this case, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you have enough for the first one. Okay, and then we're gonna have to continue the rest on the other page. So copy this. And then we need to do the cost of goods sold. On the new page. Okay. So starting from here, checking and sales here, so equal sum. So how much regular coffee did we sell?
$447.75.
Okay. Supreme coffee, or sorry, large regular,
568.10.
medium supreme,
597.60.
large supreme,
666.59.
and ceramic coffee mugs.
34.95.
And last but not least, sales tax.
190.99.
Okay, giving us our grand total to be 2505.98, which is correct. So I'm going to deposit the money first for the 2505.98. Okay. So let's go ahead and enter everything into our ledger. Okay, starting with checking. For the 2505.98. So how much money should we have in our checking account?
$13,693.58.
Good, good. And we're gonna go ahead and do our sales here. Sales for the, how many cups did we sell for the medium regular?
225.
For the 44775. Okay, grand total.
5,221.76.
Good. Large regular, how many cups did we sell?
190.
for the 568.10. Grand total.
6,503.25.
Good. Medium. Supreme. How many cups?
240.
For a total of 597.60. Grand total.
6,655.77.
Good. 665557. 7. Okay. Large Supreme cups. How many cups did we sell?
191.
For a total of 66659. Grand total.
7,524.44.
Good. And then we got some ceramic coffee mugs. How many did we sell?
5.
For a total of $34.95. Grand total. Oops. Grand total.
1,763.91.
Okay. And last but not least, we got some sales tax. For a total of $190.99. Grand total.
2,046.11.
Good. Okay. All right. Now that that's done, last but not least, we needed to calculate the cost of goods sold because in this case, I used 38 pounds of regular coffee and I used 40 pounds of Supreme coffee. So, inventory worksheet. This one, okay. Regular coffee. We used 38 pounds. Let me double check that. We used 38 pounds and 40 pounds. Okay, 38 pounds. Okay, at $1.665. Okay. So therefore, what's my total cost of goods sold here?
63.28.
63.28. So now you have left is 12.5 pounds. Okay, at a grand total of $20.82. Okay, $20.82. Okay. Supreme coffee. We used 40 pounds. Okay. At $1.91. How much is the cost of goods sold here?
$76.40.
$76.40. Okay, so we have 110 and we used 40 pounds. So you should have a total of 70 pounds left at $133.70. Okay. So let's take a look here. We sold 76.40 of the Supreme, and we sold 63.28 of the regular. Okay, so here's your journal. Okay, we're on the new page here. 63.28 for the regular. 76.40 for the Supreme. Okay. And once again, in-store use. Since this is the very last transaction of the entire month, and we're going to be doing a trial balance after this, I'm going to go ahead and do my normal where I fill out, block out a whole line here, because now I'm completely done with my journal. So at least I know if I make a mistake, then I know that I have done it between the 29 and 30th, right? And then of course, I'm going to go ahead and separate it from my transactions. Trial balance week 5. Okay? Or we call this the unadjusted trial balance. Okay? Because we're at the very end, right? We still have to do our adjustment entries, which is going to be the next step after we complete our unadjusted trial balance. But it's just a good way to just keep yourself organized and to make sure that you're completely done with this day. So there you go. I put that there, okay? And I'm going to save this. Okay? So let's go ahead and update our ledgers here so we can get our correct amounts here. So cost of goods sold for regular coffee, we used 38 pounds. General journal 22 now, for a total of 63.28. Ending balance.
$1,407.68.
Okay. Supreme coffee. We used 40 pounds. I think so. Yeah, we used 40 pounds. Okay. General journal 22 for 76.40. Ending balance.
$1,488.55.
Okay. Update our inventory. Okay, for the regular coffee. For the regular coffee, we used 38 pounds. General Journal 22 for the 63.28. So how much should be left?
2082.
20.82. And I'm gonna check that with my inventory. Yes, we have $20.82 left of my regular coffee. Okay. Supreme coffee. We used 40 pounds. General Journal 22 for 76 and 40 cents. So how much is left?
133.
133.70.
133.70, which yes, it should match your inventory on hand in your journal, in your worksheet. Okay. So there you go. Everything came out even. Save your work. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and